Hi guys, good morning. So for today, ang topic natin is what would you do if the market is indecisive? If it is choppy, ranging, or like showing mixed signals? The best move is just simply protect your capital instead of forcing trades. So today we are on our 28th day ng ating daily vlog. And right now, we will be listing down ano ba yung mga dapat natin gawin when the market is ranging or consolidating. Number one is you have to stay on the sideline. Meaning, sometimes, no trade is the best trade. You have to preserve your capital until there's a clear direction forms. So, mataman talaga kung sino ba yung in control. Is it the buyers or the sellers? And we're seeing series of higher highs, higher lows, lower highs. Pero we would know exactly where is the market's going para alam natin where to position ourselves. Number two is trade smaller positions. If you really wanted to participate in the market today or during the ranging market, cut your lot size and then reduce the risk. Number two is to switch to higher time frames. Sometimes kasi yung noise sa 1-minute time frame and 15-minute time frame chart can look a bit indecisive. But if you will be looking at the structure ng mga higher time frames such as 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, or daily time frame, doon mas makikita nyo yung clear bird's eye view. Kung ano ba talaga nangyayari, ano ba yung market structure talaga. Number 5 is to wait for confirmations. If yung market's nag-range, just simply play the range. You buy at the support and then you sell at the resistance. But you have to exit quickly. So, normally, ang ginagawa ko, kapag ranging siya sa 1-hour time frame, bababa ko ng 15-minute time frame, and then makikita ko doon na nagbabound siya sa support and resistance. So, doon ako namumulot sa 15-minute time frame, and makikita ko na meron akong opportunity to either buy or sell. But I make sure na nag-exit ako quickly. Kasi anytime soon, magkakaroon ng breakout doon. And kung na-break niya yung resistance, then it's an opportunity for me to buy. If na-break niya yung support, may opportunity ako to sell. So, doon ako mag-aabang naman ng mga breakout. Number 6 is to focus on patience and journal. Kapag mga ganitong slow days, use this time to review your trading journal. Tsaka kayo mag-backtest, mag-refine kayo ng strategy nyo. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-trade. Number 7 is set alerts, not trades. So right now, you will be placing some alerts at the key levels. Instead na mag-enter ka early. Hayaan nyo yung market ang pumunta sa inyo. Huwag nyo habulin yung market. Kasi always remember, ang indecision, ang kasunod niyan, is actually big move. Staying patient means you'll have capital ready when the breakout happens. So kung ayaw mapapansin niyo sa 1-hour time frame, after niya magkaroon ng bullish na upward trend, binrate niya itong ating upward channel, and then yan, niretest niya. Pag akit niya, niretest niya. And after niya i-retest yan, umakit siya ng tuloy-tuloy. And right now, nagko-consolidate siya. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga candlesticks na yan, these are all indecisions. Mapapansin nyo, hindi natin alam kung sino yung in control, yung buyer ba or sellers. So, this will give us an idea na, okay, wala pa tayo, hindi pa natin masabi kung ano ba yung market direction. But if we will be looking at the higher time frame, mapapansin natin na dito sa 4-hour time frame, uptrend pa rin talaga yung market. And binasag niya na itong ating support dito. So ngayon, ano natin, since uptrend siya, what we will be looking at is, syempre, hanap tayo ng buying opportunity. But right now, hindi pa tayo nakakita ng buying opportunity because sobrang indecisive pa ng market. Now, if we will be looking at the daily time frame, we will be seeing here na it's about to reach the all-time high. Ito yung all-time high natin, which is ang presyo nito is 3499. So ngayon, possible na abutin niya yan. Okay? Tinatry niya abutin itong all-time high. But there's a potential na this one, i-retest niya muna itong ating previous resistance na ngayon support na. So pag tinest niya na to, babalik yan dito. There's a chance na akyat and then babagsak yan dito to test this support and then tsaka na siya akyat ng tuloy-tuloy. So ito yung potential na mangyari dyan. So, ayun lang guys, kung papansin nyo, basa ang hair ko, naligo ako. Kasi papunta kami ngayon sa San Juan kasi we will be having our makeup session with Maha Blanca, and then may photoshoot din kami. Syempre, under the leadership of our stylist, Joff Lagria. So, shout out. So, later we will be attending the preview ball sa Marriott Hotel. And I'm super excited with my outfit kasi we will be featuring the Cordillera outfit. So, if you guys are in Marriott Hotel and you will be attending the preview ball, ayan, makikita namin kayo dyan ng asawa ko. So, ayun lang guys, and gonna be very busy today. So, good luck sa mga trades nyo. I'm not sure if I will be able to send signals today, but pag nakakita ko ng opportunity, then probably I just send it away sa ating mga GCs. So, ayun lang guys. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. It's here. Ayan. See you guys.